Ready.
Just finished giving my skateboard a prep talk.
Did you see it? You totally stopped.
Ow. I hurt my back. That was a fail.
Is it scary?
That's worse than the hill.
Oh my god.
Okay, ready?
Where am I supposed to go?
Well, I tried to go up, but I ended up running into the wall. Okay. Brittany's turn.
Okay, you tried the wall and it didn't even work. So
I was just trying to make sure I didn't go in that hole with it.
what happens if you do? What's down there?
It? Go.
I'm scared. Why? Oh, it says start here. Can't you guys read? Start here.
Freaking border patrol's gonna stop us.
I'm gonna try to stay straight and go up that line.
Okay.
And then hold on to the fence because I don't want to go back.
Alright.
Would it be better to shut my eyes?
Probably.
Can I put one foot on the gas?
That's what I did. Hurry up and Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna cry right now. Alright, you ready to go head for Leticia's?
Yeah.
Say
let's
bye.
go. Peace.